is Hans, and it's time for another episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what to do with your instant noodles, and today we've got a special Nissin Donbei Kitsune Udon from Japan. Can't remember what the anime featured here on the packaging is, but yeah, it's anime. And that came out of a Zenpop snack box. You can go to zenpop.jp and use the coupon code The Ramen Raider for a discount on one of those. They give you, it looks like one noodle, and then they give you, what do you call it? Lots of snacks and treats. I did a unboxing yesterday with my daughter Mimi, and she liked a lot of it. I was really actually quite surprised. I didn't think it would be stuff that she would be keen on, but she actually does like it, so that's a win. She likes octopus. She likes takoyaki, sticky takoyaki crackers, so that's pretty neat. And this goes for 5 minutes. So what's happening? It snowed this morning. It's Valentine's Day here. Happy Valentine's Day to y'all. And yeah, let's get this started. This one's going to be a little bit of a pain in the butt because it does have this big chunk of what do you call it? Fried tofu. So I need to get this a little loosened up so it fits down and gets hydrated in a happy and good manner. There we go. Load it up. I really like this stuff, honestly. It was one that had to grow on me for a while, but these days I'm pretty partial to Kitsune Udon. Mainly the tofu. I like that aspect of it the most. So let's put that back there and tilt you up a little bit. So what's going on? We got more UFOs that were blowing out of the sky and all the Bakken aliens. So, yeah. I don't know what's up with the aliens. Okay, we need to split this apart. And I think what we got here is the soup base, and here we've got shichimi. So let's find that out right off the bat. I could be wrong, but if it's shichimi, I don't want to put it in, I want to put it on. A tiny. I'm going with this as a topping. I will add that at the very end. And look at that. It folds over like a little baggie. Look at that. Isn't that wonderful? Aren't you enthused by that? I know I am. I just have to remember to be enthused and not forget to add that in. Let's put this over here. These are the eggs of wonder. We're going to use a raw egg on this one today. Oh, yes. Raw. That blows some people's minds. That's okay. Mind-blowing. That's what I do. Yeah, but it snowed this morning, and there's still snow on the roofs over there, which is really strange. It's February 14th. Usually we don't get snow this late, and it just kind of came out of nowhere. And the bus driver for the kids was saying, yeah, like around 6:30, it just started dumping. My plan was to take Pepper out on a pretty decent walk, but the shoes I have no tread. And I got so far as I could get, and then my shoes started to get slipping on everything. So it's like, oh well. What do you do? Can't do much more. So that's where it went. So I'm here cooking noodles for you. So this one, yeah, the snack box was fun. I did it with Mimi, my daughter, who's in kindergarten, and I still can't believe how many different things she was up for trying. I mean, she tried everything. And I would say, like, she liked 95%. There was, like, one thing. I'm like, do you like it? She's all, you can go spit it out. So, she liked these chips. In fact, I've got them bagged up for her to have for snacks for school. They're Bonito snacks. They're super, yeah, check this out. Here's what they look like. I'll steal one. Sounds good. But they're made with rice. Oh my god, it smells like somebody died. But yeah, they're fishy. She likes them. Which is great. But I love how she'll try all sorts of stuff, but Miles, he won't diverge from his preferred items of eating at all. Won't try this, won't try that. It's like, come on, try something new. That's what Papa does for a living. Or somewhat of a living. It's what Papa does. And, yeah. Oh, hi, Pepper. I'm working here. Is there something you need? No, this isn't for you. No. Go lay down. Yeah, I know. You've been rejected. She's curious. What's that food? I've been giving her a couple treats here and there. Not noodles or anything, but Fritos. Because they're just oil and corn and salt. I get the lightly salted ones. It's like, these are really salty. Yeah. This one, yeah. I've had some Bonito varieties that I really like. Because this is a Bonito soup. But it's just not pushing my buttons. My buttons is no pushed. So, yeah. But I will let you see. And yes, I will take a taste of just the straight broth, but I can kind of get the picture from tasting the noodle. Like Kitsune Udon and Midori no Tanuki. I used to really think those were amazing things, and now I just can't. I can't hang. I'm sorry, but it just doesn't work for me. That's probably why. Probably why they're not shooting a Japanese TV show at my house anymore. Because they're not on the top 10 list. Which is fine, you know, I understand the ultra-nationalism of food. And that's great, you know. That's a good thing to be proud of. But, yeah, no. Oh, yeah, that's right. I'm going to taste the broth. Here we go. Here's our broth. It's just too much. Too much. Too much of one thing, not enough of another. Alright, we're going to drop an egg right there. You don't go anywhere, egg. You hang out. Don't be a jerk. But I'll give it another taste after all is done. And some spring onion. And of course, after it's all done, I will try the tofu, fried tofu. It's good. I know I like that. Let's not be bad people and forget our shichimi, which I think that's what it is. It might be like a furikake blend too. I can get this sucker open. Neat idea. I don't know about in practice how much I enjoy this. Oh, come on. Are you just gonna seize up on me? Doesn't want to cooperate, ladies and gentlemen, and not cooperating is not allowed. There we go. There you go. And to finish things off, we'll add some seeds. It's kind of crummy because you really can't see the broth so much, but what do you do? It had anime on it. Whee! Okay. Yeah, Rotato, do your stuff. Really? Well, ladies and gentlemen, the next one we've got today is a big cup noodles variety from Singapore. This is Big Cup Noodles seafood flavor. It just came out in February in Singapore, and yeah, it should be good. So, prepare, ensconce thyself, and yeah, you'll be checking that out on the next episode of It's Noodle Recipe Time. This has been Hans the Ramen Raider wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one, and bye.